Please introduce yourself.
So myself Abhishek Sandhu. I belongs to district Karnal, Haryana. I did my schooling from my hometown and later on I graduated from National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal in dairy technology. After that in 2017 I came to Delhi for my civil services preparation and since then I am preparing for civil services.
What are your hobbies?
So my hobbies are teaching, badminton playing and novel reading.
Teaching, badminton playing. Who's badminton player in India?
So there are multiple players like Saina Nehwal, PV Sindhu.
Male?
Sir?
Male?
Sir, so sir, I'm not able to recall.
What is the scoring system in badminton?
Sir, 21, there are three
What
matches,
is the length of the court?
44 feet, sir.
Okay. And singles?
So length is same.
Width?
Breadth is different, sir.
What is the width of court?
So it's,
Singles? Is it less or same?
so it's smaller for singles. For doubles, it's 20 feet.
What is the height of the net?
So it's 5 feet in the middle and 5 feet 1 inch at the two ends.
Okay. All right. What are the last India's achievement, top achievement in the badminton?
So it was, I think it was PV Sindhu when she got gold medal in World Championship in 2019.
In Olympic status?
So in Olympic, I think PV Sindhu was the one who got silver.
Are you thinking? Or you are speaking?
Sir, actually I am not aware of.
So decide you want to think or you want to speak. First you decide what is an interview. Are you thinking here or you are speaking here?
It's a combination of both.
You want to think, then you think in your mind. Don't tell me that you are thinking.
Yes, sir.
That should be your internal process. We are here to look at you as a paramilitary officer
Sir.
who delivers.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Obviously, he thinks and delivers. He can't deliver without thinking.
And
When
it's,
he's saying that I am thinking, he is not understood.
yes, sir.
Right? So don't tell me that you are thinking. It's actually you are expected to think.
Yes, sir.
Because you have to have your intellectual practicalities here. That's what interview is meant for.
Yes, sir.
Why do you want to join CIPF?
So there are personal reason as well as some other reasons. If I go, actually, sir, I personally believe that India is on rise, and whenever, if we see history, whenever India rises and move toward prosperity, always there was chances, and not just chances, but incidents of invasions, of attacks, and there always a threat of national security whenever there are prosperity started coming into India. So when I look into this fact, I believe that I should get to the borders and do something that whatever happened in the history will not be repeated in the future. And as far as personal reason is concerned, sir, actually my mother want me to see, me in uniform. So that is my personal reason that I want to be in CAPF.
You are a BTech.
Yes, sir.
You have a diversified career.
Sir.
You are having you have a personal view of serving at border.
Sir.
And you are a BTech with dairy extension and milk production management.
Sir.
And probably you have tried civil services?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And you are 94 board. It is diversified this thing.
Sir.
Did you try for any patriotic organization in your school or college?
Sir, actually I joined NCC. NCC, sir.
NCC. You are a C certificate holder?
As well as B, sir.
Very nice. So then why didn't you try NDA and CDS?
Sir, actually I tried. I got into SSB, but I got screened out every time.
Every time you got screened out?
Yes, sir.
In NDA also?
Sir, one time I went for, one SSB for NDA.
NDA written you qualified?
Yes, sir. And then last year I gave for FCAT SSB. but in that too, I was screened out.
So where do you think you lack in the assessment process of interview, which is one of the finest interview board?
So it is my personal perception that my communication was not that good. English
What
speak.
do you lack in communication?
So my command over English language was not very fine to that level to qualify that procedure. But later on, I worked on it, and I believe that I am improving, and there's scope of improvement further, and I will do it.
How do you know how many wings are there in this? How many wings are there in this fan?
Sir, 3.
How do you say 3? Because you have got screened out from BPTT twice. Screened out, na?
Yes, sir.
You have not been able to clear the BPTT and verbal and non-verbal tests of
Yes,
the
sir.
SSB. So there is a requirement of check your imagination and perspective.
Sir.
Okay? Whether you are saying it is power of communication,
Yes, sir.
but I am looking at something else.
Sir.
Tell me, how do you know this is 3?
So there are 2 reasons. One is that it's a standard that we have 3 wings. The second reason is that the other fan is also having 3. So it is quite odd to have one fan with 3 wings and other fan with 4 wings. I mean, I haven't seen it.
So it's a logical reasoning that you will,
Sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
But you can have 2 wings also in the fan.
Yes, sir.
You
It
can
is
have
possible.
4 also,
Yes, sir.
right?
Sir.
So it's your perception.
Yes,
And
sir.
it has come because of your general intelligence,
Yes, sir.
because of your lifetime. बचपन से देखा है तो ऐसा लग रहा है
Sir.
ना?
Yes, sir.
और कोई बात नहीं, बचपन से ये परसेप्शन है आपकी।
Yes, sir.
तो परसेप्टिव क्वालिटीज जो है वो कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को भी कम करती हैं। तो वो आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि कहाँ जा रही है। You will go through the interview, then I will let you know.
Thank you, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
On that subject. What is your best achievement in life so far?
So can I think? So getting into National Dairy Research Institute was, I believe, that my greatest achievement, because before that, sir, actually I was not very good in academics before 10th, but later on my personal experience was there something which compelled me that I should.
Personal experience where there is that thing. This is the 4th time in last 7 minutes you have told me about your personal issues. Okay? I
Yes,
am
sir.
noting it down. Again you have said there is personal, some factors were there. Complex personality. This is a complex personality. You are not being straightforward.
Sir.
It's personal. I'm thinking, I'm speaking. You are projecting yourself more than actually doing. Cool down. Be straightforward. You are in an interview,
Sir.
not your living room. So don't give anything. Some personal things are you can't confuse the board member. What is this personal factor in mind? How do I know this person? What do I think about this person?
Yes, sir.
You are actually mesmerizing the board in a different manner.
Yes, sir.
Just be normal. 85% in 10, 88% in 12, 7.6 CGPA.
Yes, sir.
तो 8 to 10th में क्या हुआ था प्रॉब्लम? अब बताइए. उससे पहले you were not good in studies because of some personal reason you became good. From
Sir.
8 to 10.
Sir.
What was the personal reason? From 8 to 10. 8 का क्या marks?
So 8 was around 75. Sir,
क्या problem?
sir, actually I was my.
9th?
Yes, sir.
985?
No. 9th was, sir, just passing marks, we can say.
Okay, it's okay.
So actually my company was not good,
It's
and
okay. It's all of us to be okay. Finished. Your best achievement Dairy Valley. What is the most embarrassing moment of it? Now I will ask you the question. Let's see. You open up or not? Let's see. Since you are saying your company was not good, let me ask you, what is the most embarrassing moment of your life? I got all the questions for you.
yes, sir.
You will have to answer it.
Yes, sir. There was a moment. Actually, one day, sir, when I was around 15 or 16 years old, my father asked me to bring. There was a pack of 5 rupees at my home. He was out and he asked me, please to bring that pack of 5 rupees note for him. I came inside. I took it, but I mean, I picked up one note and put it in my pocket because I wanted to buy some chocolates. And when I gave him, he suddenly noticed that the numbering of the notes, because there was fresh notes, so he picked up that one note is missing. There were five, 6 people, and he asked me where is the missing note. So first I refused, then he again asked me, and then I gave him. He didn't say anything.
I have understood your point about 45 seconds back. You are taking extra time in explaining.
Okay, sir.
I have already understood your point.
Yes.
It could be 3-word answer, but you are taking what 1 minute. Right? Communication skills.
Yes, sir.
Over speaking.
Sir.
Is not required. These are not a requirement. Okay.
Okay, Abhishek,
Sir.
tell me about National Dairy Research Institute, Karnal.
Sir, actually, it's our country's premier dairy research institute, which was formed in 1923 in Bangalore with the name of Imperial Institute of Animal Husbandry and Dairying. It is involved in not just in teaching, but also in research work as well as extension work to disseminate the technology which is forming in the lab to the farms. And it has many accomplishments further, that it is the one who created first IVF buffalo calf in India. It is the one who the clone buffalo calf Garima was also there, that was produced in National Dairy Research Institute.
Dolly भी यही की product है?
Not Dolly, sir. No, sir. It was Pratham, the IVF created, and the clone was Garima in 2009.
Did you read today's newspaper?
Yes, sir.
What is the headlines?
So headline was about immunization plan of COVID vaccine. Other news was related to India-US relation, that US has said that its sanction on Iran will not hamper the Chahbar project of India. Apart from that, there was some demographic related data in Bihar elections. Beside that,
Okay, what is 2+2 dialogue?
so actually it is a ministerial level dialogue in which defense minister and foreign minister of two countries get together and interact.
Okay. And to how many countries India is conducting 2+2 dialogues?
So right now we have 3 countries, US, Japan and Australia at ministerial level.
Okay. Recently, there was a pact signed between Israel and UAE.
Abraham Pact, sir.
So it's a peace agreement between those countries.
Israel and, sorry,
Israel and UAE.
UAE. Yes,
United Arab Emirates.
yes, sir.
Have any idea about it?
Yes, sir.
And how this agreement will change the geopolitical situation of Middle East?
Sir, actually, before that pact, there were multiple centers in the West Asia. For example, there was Israel and America on the one hand. There were Arab countries, Saudi Arabia, UAE and other monarchies on the other hand. There was third center, which is Iran and Turkey. Now, with the pact of Israel and UAE, so the Israel and UAE blocks, these 2 blocks, which is one is led by Israel and the other one is with Saudi Arabia and UAE. They are supposed to come together and they are supposed to present a collective resistance against Israel.
You have done NCC.
Yes, sir.
Which stream?
Army, sir.
Army.
Sir.
Okay. Can you tell me the equivalent rank of captain in Navy and in the captain in Navy is equivalent to in Army?
Sir, I'm not sure, but I think it's major.
Captain in Navy is equivalent to major.
So I'm not sure. I will check it.
Okay. Tell me officers, any three officers rank in Indian Navy?
Indian Navy, sir. So Admiral, Vice Admiral, Commodore.
You belong from Haryana, Karnal.
Yes, sir.
Why Karnal is famous?
So Karnal is famous for multiple reasons. It is called as rice bowl of Haryana because it produces highest amount of rice in Haryana. It is also called Paris of Haryana. So it is also infamous for highest number of stubble burning cases. Apart from that, it is also historically, if we talk, then it is known as Karan Nagari. And the battle between Nadir Shah and Mughals was also fought in Karnal.
And there is a place in Haryana that's called Panipat.
Yes, sir.
And three deciding war of the India were fought in Panipat.
Yes, sir.
Why Panipat is so important?
In contemporary context, sir.
No, in past.
So actually, Panipat. So basically, what used to happen, that most of the invasions to India came through Khyber Pass in Suleiman Range. All the Western powers, whoever come through Khyber Pass, they have to enter the plain area. Delhi was the center of power that time. The interaction point used to be somewhere in Haryana, which was between Khyber Pass and the power center of India. So Panipat had the, I would say, privilege to host these many important wars in the history.
Okay, Abhishek, your formal interview is over.
Yes, sir.
We will call you back for the feedback.
Sir.